the Defense and Detox Kit, your 3-step shield for modern life. Every single day, your body faces a silent siege, from environmental toxins and stress to dietary gaps and pollutants. Over time, this can cloud your vitality and weaken your body's natural defenses. What if you could hit the reset button? What if you had a systematic protocol to first cleanse, then fortify, and finally protect? Introducing the Defense and Detox Kit. This is not a collection of random supplements. It's a precision-engineered 3-step system that works in harmony to purify your body and build an unbreakable shield of wellness. Let's explore the powerful, synergistic science behind each step.
Step 1. Detoxify, the deep cellular cleanse by Detoxifier. The foundation of strong immunity is a clean internal environment. The Detoxifier Tablet is your first step, designed to support your body's natural detoxification pathways and combat fatigue. It features Ashwagandha and Mucuna Pruriens to help your body adapt to stress and support nervous system recovery. Triphala and green coffee bean work synergistically to gently cleanse the digestive tract and support metabolism. Bacopa Munieri and Arjuna provide antioxidant support for the brain and cardiovascular system, promoting overall systemic purity. This step is about resetting your baseline, clearing the slate for optimal nutrient absorption.
Step 2. Nourish, the superfood infusion by Nutrienique. Once cleansed, your body is ready to be rebuilt with the purest nutrients on Earth. The Nutrienique capsule is a powerful concentrate of 16 globally sourced superfoods and adaptogens. It delivers a burst of antioxidants from acai berries, bilberries, blackberry, and chokeberry to fight oxidative stress at a cellular level. Turmeric and ginseng provide powerful anti-inflammatory and energy-boosting properties. Maca root, mangosteen, and spirulina deliver a dense profile of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to revitalize your entire system. This step floods your body with the essential building blocks it craves for repair, energy, and vitality.
Step 3. Defend, the Ayurvedic Shield by Plumune. A clean, well-nourished body needs a robust defense system. The Plumune tablet is your daily shield, formulated with 8 powerful Ayurvedic herbs known for their immune-boosting and respiratory benefits. Tulsi, holy basil, and Visakha are revered for their powerful support of the respiratory system, helping to keep your airways clear. Kiratatikta and Kutki are bitter herbs known in Ayurveda for purifying the blood and boosting the immune response. Guduchi, Giloy, and Piper longum work as potent immunomodulators, enhancing your body's innate ability to fight off invaders. This final step locks in your resilience, creating a formidable barrier against seasonal and environmental challenges.
3 powerful steps. 1 complete system. The Defense and Detox Kit is a logical journey to robust health. First, you cleanse with Detoxifier. Then, you rebuild with Nutrienique. Finally, you shield with Plumune. This is proactive wellness, engineered for the demands of modern life. It's for those who understand that true health is built from the inside out. Stop just getting by. Start building your foundation of unshakable wellness.